4 guaranteed businesses that you can start that can make you millions in 2025. These are businesses that have been tested and trusted, have been proven to make millions within over the last couple of years. You can go into this business with 100, even 500, even a million naira, depending on your budget. Number one on my list is palm oil business. You would agree with me that in every home there's palm oil, right? Even in the cosmetic industry, palm oil is very essential, and for industrial use as well. Palm oil is very essential and it's in high demands in every homes across Africa, right? You can buy palm oil within, so palm oil, there are times where it's expensive, there are times where the price are low because those are not peak period. So what I would advise is buy at the time where the prices are low and you sell during peak period. Peak period for palm oil is between November and February. So you could buy at a good rate and sell during peak period. You also have opportunity for export with palm oil business. You can also export it to different countries that needs this product. Those countries, palm oil are also in high demand, but you would agree with me that within Africa, within every home, palm oil, it's very essential. If you want to go into packaging, work on good packaging and also good presentation as well, and then you will be able to make money when you sell it during peak period. Number 2 is pharmaceutical business. Healthcare needs are growing, and pharmacy are the place where a lot of people get drugs. You would agree with me that when you're sick, right, you are not concerned about the cost of the drug but how to get well. So that makes pharmacy business a very good business, an amazing opportunity. To open a pharmacy business in most countries, you need a license. If you are not a pharmacy, you can partner with a pharmacist, right, to open a pharmacy business. You can sell these drugs through retail stores within street corners, or you can also sell through online platform. You can advertise these drugs on your WhatsApp status, and people would order for drugs. They would give you their prescription and then you forward their drugs to their location. Pharmacy business is a growing business, and if you tap into that business, you could make millions within this year. Number 3 is cosmetic business, right? No matter how difficult the economy may look, women always want to look beautiful. That makes cosmetics business my number 3 business. Women always want to look beautiful. You could go into hair, you could go into cream, you could go into different kinds of cosmetics, and women will be ready to patronize you wherever your shop is. If you, be it online, be it you doing business online or doing business offline, having a shop, women are ready to patronize you. Ladies spend millions in acquiring good hair. Ladies spend millions in acquiring good cream, as long as it works and it does the job. So I would advise you to go into cosmetics because ladies spend millions in trying to take care of themselves. Ladies always want to look good, and if you are in that business, you will profit a lot in cosmetics business. Number 4 on my list is transportation business. As individual, we want to move from point A to point B, no matter how difficult the economy may seem. We want to move from one point to the other to fend for ourselves, to get our daily bread. People still go to work no matter how difficult the economy may look like, and you can't go by foot. That makes transportation business a very lucrative business even in hard times. So I would encourage you to go into transportation business, be it you buying a tricycle for somebody, you buying keke napep as they call it, or even a car. You can either drive it after work or you can buy it and give it to somebody to drive over a period of time. So transportation business is it's a lucrative business because transportation is essential to our day-to-day life. So these are the 4 businesses I would encourage you to go into in 2025 to make a lot of money. Please, when you've made a lot of money, please don't forget to share with me. Thank you very much.